In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform keyword research using Semrush, and we'll condense this to just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your SEO strategy and want to find those perfect keywords, you're in the right place. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, grab your preferred web browser and type in Semrush. Once the page loads, you'll either need to log in or, if you haven't joined Semrush yet, sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward, and if you're new to Semrush, they even offer a trial period, making it easy to get started without any commitments up front. With your Semrush account ready to go, we'll dive into one of the platform's most powerful features, the Keyword Magic tool. This gadget is truly magical when it comes to uncovering potential keywords that can make your content stand out. Begin by entering a broad keyword related to your niche or business. This starting point is pivotal as it sets the foundation for generating a robust list of keyword ideas that match your niche's theme. Upon initiating the search, the Keyword Magic tool will work its magic, providing a comprehensive list of related keywords. But it doesn't stop there. Alongside each keyword, you'll notice key metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and even search intent. These details are invaluable for understanding not just the potential reach of each keyword, but also how challenging it might be to rank high for it in search results. Now comes the refining part. You can use the filters available in the tool to fine-tune this list. Look closely at the metrics to sort keywords based on aspects such as search volume and keyword difficulty. Your goal here is to narrow down your options to identify the most promising keywords for your strategy. This can be a powerful step in aligning your content with what users are actively searching for. A little tip to keep in mind as you sift through the options. Prioritize keywords that have a lower keyword difficulty score. Keywords with a lower KD are generally easier to rank for, making them especially advantageous if you're just getting started or if you're aiming to gain a competitive edge without going head-to-head with more established players. Targeting these may help your content gain traction more quickly, which is ideal if you're eager to see those analytics numbers climb. And there you have it, a streamlined process for keyword research using Semrush. By leveraging the Keyword Magic tool, you can efficiently arm yourself with the information needed to create content that resonates, gets noticed, and ultimately drives the traffic you're after. Thanks for stopping by today. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on mastering your digital marketing strategy. Happy keyword hunting, and I'll catch you in the next video.